Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. Today I am going to share a very special sweet dish which I made from curdled milk, or as we say in Hindi, fata hua doodh, or in Kannada like vadadogida halu. Okay, and it just took me 5 minutes to prepare. So shall we begin? So here today I kept the milk to boil like as usual daily we keep, but you can see my milk has already started to curdle within 2 minutes. So what we have to do is we have to let it cook again for 2 more minutes and let it curdle completely. Okay, so that the water and the fat gets separated nicely. If you wish to curdle by yourself, just add few drops of lemon juice when the milk is boiling and it will curdle. Now we have to separate the water and the fat content, okay, using any strainer. So nicely press it and take out all the water from the mixture and add this dry mixture into a pan. Okay, now let us keep this dry mixture on the gas stove on the low flame. Okay, and let's add the sugar. So here I am adding 4 spoons of sugar to this half liter of mixture. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. And just mix it and cook until the sugar gets dissolved. Okay, now you can see our sugar has started to dissolve. So once the sugar is dissolved, now here I am adding 1 spoon of badam mixture. It is badam powder, instant badam powder. Okay, this is completely optional. You can even skip it. Okay, then again cook for 2 to 3 more minutes and add some chopped almonds or any dry fruits. And that's it. Our instant, quick 5-minute sweet dish recipe is ready to serve. And believe me, this is very tasty and very yummy. This was one of our favorite sweet dish in our childhood days. So never ever waste the milk from now onwards if it gets curdled. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting and good videos. Thanks for watching.